He's from South.
Yeah, South India, Andhra.
मैं झुकेगा नहीं साला।
Why is it so confusing?
It's alternate. See, 1, 2.
Now you made me do how much?
Somewhere
I think
around
20.
Yeah, 20 reps. You done more than me. Wow. Just 20 is very easy for you. I can see your expressions.
I do the same with my clients. Karma hitting back.
You can share your experience how it is.
Killer. One word. आज की जो हमारी स्पेशल वीडियो है, चेस्ट वर्कआउट सेशन है, दैट इज विद मेंस फिजिक एथलीट एंड इनके साथ मेरा मोटिव ये था कि बीइंग मेंस फिजिक एथलीट ये आपको इस पर्टिकुलर चेस्ट वर्कआउट के लिए ज्यादा अच्छे से गाइड कर सकते हैं. सो मिस्टर अरुण पॉल,
Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you, Sonu.
नाइस टू मीट यू टू.
Thank you.
सो अभी इनकी लैंग्वेज जो है ज्यादातर इंग्लिश होने वाली है बिकॉज ही इज फ्रॉम साउथ
Yeah, South India, Andhra.
आंध्रा. तो इस स्टाइल. तो अभी मुझे भी कुछ इनकी चीजें समझने में लग जाता है टाइम.
हाँ, टाइम नहीं लग जाएगा. थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी आता है और I can understand, make you understand in English.
बट आई लव योर हिंदी. चलो फिर लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Let's start a workout with some warm up.
Okay.
We're gonna warm up a little bit of shoulders also because while training chest, we're gonna see some pressure in our shoulders, front shoulders.
Yes.
So we're gonna warm up our shoulders as well and also chest.
Perfect. Okay. So what are we starting with?
We're gonna do some rotations with the rope and dumbbell and also some chest openers, a few push-ups,
Okay.
and then we're gonna hit a workout.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Why is it so confusing?
It's alternate. See, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Because we're training chest as well, so we're gonna chest it. So this
Okay.
is our chest openers.
Yes.
So we'll go light. We're gonna go for 4 variations then. 2 compound movements and 2 isolation movements.
Perfect.
Yeah. So we are targeting more on inclined part of the chest, which is the pectoral minor and major. There are only 2 muscles in our chest, not 3 parts, only 2 parts, pectoral major and minor. So we're not targeting on the decline chest. No movements, no decline movements, no decline angles. We're gonna target only on mid chest and the upper chest.
Okay.
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 So and the decline part of the chest will grow on itself.
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna
That's the part I enjoyed the most. That was the better in my strength.
Okay, the thing is, when you hit it from this low angle, you have the least amount of energy, and that's the only moment you have more risk of injuries.
Oh.
So you should avoid that. And it's been a long time that you have worked for the chest.
Why is it so like whenever I train, for example, if it's about incline press or decline press, I feel more strength in the decline as compared to incline.
Okay, but I personally feel like it doesn't feel your chest. I mean, it feels when you hit it like this, it will work, but it will work for your side part of the chest. When
Yes.
you see it from the side, you can see the what you call the angle, the separation
Yes.
from the shoulder to the chest.
The
But
squeeze.
yeah, when you squeeze it like this, but it's not targeting your decline. There's no movement like this. People do that, but I personally don't encourage that.
Okay.
So you wanna do some supersets?
Can be done. I can try.
So we're gonna hit some incline chest, supersetting with pec deck,
Okay.
and the next variation will be the incline chest, the machine. We'll go for machines because since you have been worked it for a long time, you didn't have worked it for a long time. We'll only target with machines.
Okay.
Yeah, and the last set will be again a superset, cables, decline and incline. You
Done.
decline, your favorite. Let's go.
Let's do it.
So this is a superset of chest machine press and also pec deck. Back to back. We'll go for 20 reps each together. This 20 reps and that one 20 reps.
This 20 reps
Yeah, 20 reps.
and that one
20 reps.
20.
Yeah,
Okay,
20.
perfect.
So the last step, we'll hold it for 5 seconds
Okay.
so that you'll feel more pressure.
Okay. Let's remove it.
Wanna go
Let
for
me
5?
check. I
Yeah.
haven't done this before. Quite a long time.
Okay, let's go for 20 reps. Hold it for, yeah. Inhale and exhale while doing it. Exhale while squeezing it. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's superset with pec deck for 20 reps.
Okay. I struggle a lot in that one. इसको करने बैठती हूँ.
Okay, let's see.
ऐसा लगता है कि हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
तो थर्ड प्लेट पे लगा देती हूँ.
Okay.
बट बहुत जान निकलती है. फिर सेकंड पे जाती हूँ तब भी नहीं निकलती. फिर जाके फर्स्ट पे रुक जाती हूँ.
Okay. Here to the last. To the last.
Okay.
If you have any trouble while doing it, you can put it here or here.
Okay.
Because if you have any problem or trouble while doing this, any irritation while doing it, any trouble, then you can keep it forward.
If
Okay.
it's 20.
We'll keep it here so that it will be little.
Yeah.
It's been a long time for you, right? So start slow. Keep your elbows little top. Yes. Perfect. Open it. Open your chest. Hold it for 1 second. Don't hit it hard. Just hold. Slow release. And last one more, and hold, squeeze, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're holding your expressions while doing the workout, right? Like this, and after that, okay.
Not holding my expressions though.
But that's how
since
you.
it's the first set, so
Okay, you're still holding.
no. It's like I'm feeling it, but I don't know it.
Okay, let's go for second set.
So usually मेरा जो चेस्ट वर्कआउट है वो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट और नॉर्मल लेट इट बी करके कंप्लीट करी थी काफ़ी टाइम से. कुछ ऐसा भी था कि मुझे वो थोड़ा बोरिंग भी लगने लग गया था. बीइंग अ गर्ल कहीं ना कहीं मैंने उस चीज़ पे कम फोकस करके बाकी चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा कर लिया. ज़्यादा मुझे जो फेवरेट लगता है अपर बॉडी में दैट इज़ शोल्डर्स. तो बस यही रीज़न है. एंड मतलब मुझे यही लगा कि आप लोगों को करेक्टली मैं कैसे इस चीज़ के लिए इन्फो दे सकती हूँ. इसके लिए बेस्ट पर्सन यही है बिकॉज आई एडमायर हिज फिजिक ऑलरेडी. तो मैं पहले से देखती थी एंड व्हेन ही केम हियर आई रिक्वेस्टेड कि एटलीस्ट मेरे व्यूअर्स के लिए ये वीडियो भी आप तक पहुँच सके, चेस्ट वर्कआउट का भी आप तक इन्फो जा सके और मैं भी इनसे काफ़ी कुछ सीख पा रही हूँ. सो दैट्स माई प्रिविलेज कि हम आज यहाँ पर ये चीज़ पे प्रॉपरली शूट कर रहे हैं. तो मेरा पूरा एफर्ट यही रहेगा कि मैं जितना ज़्यादा हो सके खुद भी सीखूं और आप लोगों तक भी इनकी थ्रू जितनी ज़्यादा इन्फो हो सकती है, जितनी ज़्यादा वैल्यू हो सकती है वो पहुंचा सकते.
So first one is full on high reps.
Uh-huh.
The next one is normal reps.
Uh-huh.
Third one is less reps.
Okay.
And again high reps. Last set.
And the pattern of this holding it at the end, do you follow it at every set?
Yeah, every set, every last rep. So that's because your blood rushes into the muscle, and and blood carries all nutrients. So that's how your muscle grows.
So ये आपने खुद मतलब through your experience एक बार ही
No,
बनाया
my
या?
coach gave it to me.
Okay.
It's a
works.
yeah. It's the repetitions and procedure I follow for my competition.
Wow, great. So मैं अभी यही follow करने वाली हूँ. चलो.
Yeah.
How much?
20. go for 5.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, you can. Come on. Go for 16 reps. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Not bad.
The one thing I noticed is while doing you're just pushing it hard.
Yes.
So you're hitting your shoulders a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah, you can feel that.
I realized it at the end during the last reps.
Yeah, you're
realized
hitting it like this. Don't give a jerk moment. Go it very slow. Move it last.
Done.
Then you can see the pressure. Itna bada gym or only one machine? है ना?
Uh,
Okay, if there's a scarcity of this machine, you can do inclined flies or flat flies in place of this.
with the cable or
Yeah,
the
with the
dumbbell.
cable you can do with the dumbbell also.
I did one last time, right?
Yeah. Last one and hold for 5 seconds. Hold. Keep your arms straight.
Doing it.
Very good.
Keeping
very
it slow.
Okay, I got it.
Copying you.
Last 3, 2, 1. 2 more sets to go. Now we're going super heavy. 10 kgs. One super heavy set. Just 6 reps.
Okay.
I'll give you support.
Okay. Then
And that will be same weight and same reps. 15.
okay. No super heavy.
No super heavy. That's an isolation moment, right? So we're doing it light and this is heavy.
Okay. 20.
Yeah. 5 more.
Okay. 6 reps.
Yeah. More, 6 to 10, 8 to
Okay.
10, something.
Well. Bhai. 6.
Hit it more. 5 more reps. 7.5.
Can try 10.
Okay. Come on, easy 10. Easy 10. Last one. Last 2 again. Come on. Go for the maximum. Come on. Last 2. Come on. Hit half reps till here.
Okay.
Come on, half reps. 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one and hold. Hold. For 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. If you can't do the full reps, you can cheat sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah. But you can do half reps, but you shouldn't stop.
Now you made me do how much?
Somewhere
I think
around
20.
Yeah, 20 reps. You done more than me. Wow. And you're saying your chest is weak.
Arey, it's weak, I'm telling you.
No, I won't believe.
Look at my weight and look at your weight. The plate.
Same reps.
Same reps. 16.
16. Last one. And hold. Hold. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. While doing it, these wings are there, no? You have to sit a little bit top.
Okay.
So when you're going top, your hands will go down. So then you're targeting this. Your flies will be like this. If you're going to the top, you're doing like this. So more on the shoulders, more on here.
Yes.
So if you're doing it here, it targets everything.
I think here
Yeah.
it should be here.
Like this here, in the straight. Yeah.
I usually adjust my height so
Yeah.
that it comes here.
Okay.
But abhi मैं focus
They
आपके
changed it.
हाँ,
the
so
reason.
that's why मुझे
Yeah.
लगा मुझे I felt कि
Yeah.
something's wrong,
Yeah.
but then I completed it.
Okay. So what we'll do? We'll go for another set, or we'll just skip it to the next workout. Your wish.
It's fourth set is left, right?
Yeah.
The lighter one.
Yeah. Can do?
We can do
Yeah. Let's go.
same 20-20 or more.
I'll do one thing. I'll go for max. You go for light.
Okay.
You okay? You also wanna go with the max?
I can go with the max also.
Good. We'll go with 20.
Okay. Oh?
With 20.
Okay.
That's light for me. Okay, I'm going for 20 reps. 22, 25.
Okay. How much?
30 reps.
Wow.
Yeah. You go for 5. Should exactly be here. Middle part of the chest.
In the middle.
Yeah.
Why is it so tough to understand the chest?
it's-
I think it's very small in girls, or maybe I don't know.
It's easy. See, when you're doing it, you have to feel it.
That's the most difficult part.
Okay, do one thing. Try this. Close your eyes and concentrate. Just like a meditation.
I do feel it, but I cannot relate it with the upper, middle, lower.
Now you'll feel your upper chest. I'll make you feel it. Let's go for max 30.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, 17, very good. 18, 19, 4, 5, and last one, squeeze, last one, full breath and hold. 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, done. Now you can feel the separation where you can. Go on.
And I'm going to feel it tomorrow more.
Yeah. The last set of a superset. First variation of a superset.
बस उतना करती थी
हाँ.
कि एटलीस्ट मेरे 10 पुशअप्स लगते रहे. How much?
Yeah. 30. Whew. So the same thing works after workout. The last rep, you're holding it, right? You can hold like that, or you can squeeze your chest, your muscles, so that all the blood flows and blood carries all nutritions,
Okay.
and your muscle grows. Do half partial reps till here. Yeah. Come on, 17. Come on, 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And last 5. Come on, last 5. Come on, 4. Come on, 3 more. Last 2. Last 2. Last one. And hold. Hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can share your experience how it is.
Killer. One word.
Okay. 20. What's your maximum?
Didn't do this.
I'll do this. So this is a single set. So we'll increase the weight gradually. Like we'll go from we'll count down from the back. 20, 15, 10, and 8.
Okay.
Okay. So 20. I'll go with 20,
Okay.
and then you can change the weight.
Okay.
This is a single set, right? This is not an inclined chest, right? This is an inclined chest or declined?
I don't think so. It goes like this.
Yeah.
Just try.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we're doing is you have to lean back and you have to do the press. So if you're doing like this, you're restricting the range of motion. It's like only till here. When you're doing this, goes to the top.
My muscles are already hurting. 20.
Yeah. Because 20 is very easy for you. I can see your expressions.
I do the same with my clients. Karma hitting back. How much is this?
10.
Five or maybe 2.5?
I get. Okay, let's go with 2.5. No, just 10 reps only with 10 to 12 reps with 5.
Okay.
Four, three, two, 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 drop. Nice, na? No, I have to get convinced by your expressions.
I think I'll have to act then.
No.
It's so difficult.
I think you should spot me for this. It's heavy.
Okay, hold.
Okay. Whew.
Ah,
It's hard.
it is.
Let's go with 5 only. We want to shift to 7.5.
How much are we targeting?
8 to 10.
7 point.
Yeah. Five more extra because you took break. Four, five, squeeze, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Done.
$25 or 20?
20.
And 10?
Yeah.
I'm learning from you.
Yeah. And I'm suffering. Last set. Let's go for 12 reps. I don't know how many sets, how many reps of half reps. Let's go for maximum.
Don't take the revenge, huh?
Five, four, three, two, one.
Ah,
One more set, one more variation, super set.
time to have some water. हिंदी सुनने को मिल नहीं रही वैसे आपकी
Huh?
हिंदी where has your Hindi gone?
My Hindi, it's hiding now. Hindi has no pump right now, so okay. पहला सेट हम किया चेस्ट फ्लैट प्रेस और उसके साथ हमने बटरफ्लाई हम सेकंड सेट में हम किया इंक्लाइन चेस्ट प्रेस और अभी और एक सुपर सेट इंक्लाइन और डिक्लाइन रोप
ये ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है जैसे छोटा बच्चा को बोल दिया कि पोयम सुनाओ और वो सुना रहा है याद कर करके।
मेरा हिंदी एनसीसी का है। So hydration is also important while workout. Yesterday, me and Vasu were talking about the same thing. 75% of our muscles are made up of,
वाटर।
you know, while bulking, my coach asks me to drink 6 to 7 liters of water
हाँ,
every day. So that's how your muscle gets that roundish look, the full look, fuller look.
that's there. And even I experienced that. Being, my body is more into the dryness,
Drier
side. So I need to look up my intake of water if I want to,
you
you know,
should.
my muscles to.
You know, I used to drink almost 2.5 liters in the whole workout. My stomach used to be like this.
I can understand. I used to target 2 liters.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
So this one, we work out here. This one and this one.
Okay.
So now we're hitting the decline one, supersetting with the incline one. This one,
Yes.
high to low, and low to high cable.
Okay. So that will be the superset.
10-10.
Okay.
No, this is a lightweight. So 15-15. All 15-15.
Okay. I haven't done this one since a while.
So this is a more range of motion.
Okay.
See? Yeah. Don't go back. Yeah.
It's kind of different with.
I think that is a very less weight for you.
Maybe yes.
Yeah. Expressions, I'm watching you.
How much is it? I think the lowest one.
Same. Bring it here, like this. Not this way or this way. This.
This?
Yeah. You can feel it here. Hold. Okay. If you're feeling hard on this, just keep your leg back, one leg back. Now do. Now it's easy. Little bit. Yeah. 2 more reps. Keep your leg backward or forward just to balance your posture. That's it. Elbows in line to this. Yes. Little bit back. Elbows with the ropes. Yes. Open.
Open. This?
Yeah. Now do it. Yes. You can feel it?
Yes.
Yeah.
For incline, I'm too bad at incline.
Ha. 3 sets done. Wanna go for one more? We'll go for push-ups. 50.
Huh?
50 push-ups.
50 push-ups?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Huh?
Are you kidding?
No. Let's go for 50 push-ups on this table. Incline push-ups. This is also my decline. You have strength for that, right? Do you want to go for this one?
I think this one will be better than the 50 push-up.
Okay. Okay. So last set, we'll do this, but we'll go for maximum reps, not just 10. We'll go for 30.
Let's do one thing.
Yeah.
Let's try push-ups then.
Okay. Let's go for 50 reps. Okay?
But I doubt 50.
Not in one set. We can go.
Okay.
Let's go for maximum in one set. How
Okay.
many you can do?
As I told, 10.
Okay. let's push it for 15. Okay?
Okay.
Or 12.
Let's see.
Okay. Let's go. Last two. Last one. You're done. Come on. Last one. Can. Yes. Nice.
Ah,
I told you it was small.
ah.
15, 50. Start. You have energy for another set? Other variation?
Other variation, which one?
No, done. You're done. So how did you feel?
Really nice. I really enjoyed this workout.
Do you want me to continue?
No. In the other way, I said.
Okay.
But yes, I got to learn a lot of things.
Next time, we're gonna target on the back.
Yeah.
Because I know I'm lagging on my back.
Okay.
And I concentrated more on my back. For almost 3 months, I really noticed a lot of difference. So in the mass, width, and the definition. So that's what my coach planned for me, and it worked for me.
Wow.
So we'll work on that next time.
Perfect. Done.
Yeah.
Had an amazing workout. आज तो मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छे से मसल पूरी तरीके से ट्रेन हो गई है और बहुत मज़ा आया अरुण आपके साथ.
Thank you.
कितनी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली. सबसे पहले तो वही फील करना चेस्ट मसल में मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती थी. थैंक्स टू यू अब मुझे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपका जो पैटर्न है मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. That one. I am going to follow that.
Yeah. Low.
Right? Low.
High.
High.
Very high.
Very high.
And again low.
Again low. And another thing is the formations and the incline.
Incline.
I used to underestimate it a lot. मुझे लगता था इतना नहीं ज़रूरी है या फिर मैं decline को ज़्यादा importance देती थी and it showed in my performance. Now I know I need to work upon my incline also.
Yeah, because if you see the anatomy, there's only two muscle groups, pectoral minor and major. There is no lower pectoral, so you have to train according to that.
Nice. So yes, I'll follow that. So and I'm looking forward कि back as you said हम फिर से मिले and next time अब फिर से हम लोग back के ऊपर चीजें
You
समझें.
should come to my place.
Too far. But yeah, you're roaming ना अभी आपको easy लगा. But yes, I really want to visit South. मेरा बहुत दिल करता है मैं एक बारी वहाँ पर जाके आऊँ तो definitely.
Yeah, sure.
तो अभी हम कुछ बातें जानते हैं इनसे. क्या है कुछ चीज़ें कुछ क्वेश्चंस तो जो कि मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डालूंगी और तब तक के लिए जस्ट स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.
See you.